Hello and welcome to today's edition of Game Over, and today's edition is a Paralympic special. How can it not be, you tell me, when your country wins 3 medals on one particular day? I don't remember an Indian Olympic or Paralympic effort where the country has won 3 medals on any day. Let's go down in history and let me try and think with you. I don't think we have ever won 3 medals in one particular day. Interesting. In Rio, we had won 2 in the Paralympic Games with Varun Bhatti and Mariyappan Thangavelu. Deepa was on a different day. Of course, Devendra was on a different day. In the Olympic Games, never have we won 3 medals. So history has been created today in Tokyo at the Paralympics with India winning 3 medals, ladies and gentlemen. Make this point on Game Over in this Paralympic special. We are well and truly on course to winning 10 plus medals. Let's take the bar ahead and say 15. That is what we will win in these Paralympic Games. A revolution is in the offing. Today is National Sports Day. Dhyan Chand Day could not have come at a better day. The only thing missing so far is a gold medal, and I think that will come tomorrow as well. And our gold medal count will also start. India now has 3. Let's celebrate the medalists. Bhavina Ben, Hasmukh Bhai Patel in table tennis C4 category. Great to see a Paralympian wheelchair player in table tennis winning this at the tender age of 12 months, first impacted by polio. Her parents did not have the money to treat. When they did the surgery, she did not follow medication. As a result, lost out Bhavina Ben Patel. But look what she has achieved today. The Gujarat government has given her a monetary reward of 3 crores. More the merrier, because again, every person in this country will feel I can also do it and raise the bar. We will become a better and more inclusive society. The second medal that came was in high jump with Nishad, 2.06. If you see his performances this year in the Grand Prix, if you see his performances, you will know that this guy was a serious medal contender. All you need to do, go check my social media account and you will know I had predicted this. I had predicted this and it came exactly true. The third medal came from Vinod Kumar, the BSF Jawan. For 10 years he could not get up. 10 years. The same man goes and wins a Paralympic medal, 19.91. You just feel 7 centimeters. His best was close to 21. He was throwing close to 21 in practice also. Vinod Kumar should have just maybe gotten there, but nonetheless, a medal is a medal, and India has now touched 3 medals at the Paralympic Games. I'm delighted. I again say it. 12 to 15 medals, ladies and gentlemen, is a reality. And if that happens, the Prime Minister spoke about Paralympics in his Mann Ki Baat, and I'm happy. I'm happy that it did so because it helps us go towards a better and more inclusive society. Every such effort helps, and the Paralympics is going exactly in the direction that each one of us had predicted. Thanks very much for watching Game Over. More tomorrow with more good news coming in from Tokyo. Thanks for watching.